2018 has been an exciting year at San Francisco State University. We feel a deep sense of gratitude to our San Francisco State community for the many milestones we've met and the growth we've experienced during the past year.
Today and every day, we appreciate and are grateful for the San Francisco State faculty and staff who work tirelessly to support and engage our students. And to our students, thank you. Thank you for choosing San Francisco State as the place from which you will make a difference in the world.
Happy holidays to each and every one of you.